10 Best Natural DIY Skincare Recipes for Radiant Skin. Everyone wants healthy, bright skin. The best method to accomplish this is a do-it-yourself face mask. Whatever you're looking for, from hydrating masks to stimulating coffee scrubs, we have it all. Get out your mixing bowl because you're about to indulge in some self-care with these substances that are good for your skin. Your skin will seem so healthy and radiant that people will be begging you for your skincare secrets. How to make your all-natural skincare? DIY skincare recipes. Using the easy-to-follow instructions below, you may begin creating your natural skincare products. First and foremost, determine your skin type. When you make your skincare products, you may tailor them to your skin type and choose from a variety of natural, healthy components. So, read the 10 top natural DIY skincare recipes and select 2 or 3 that best suit your needs. Do a small area test before committing to any of these skincare regimens, even when using entirely natural products. To test for skin irritation or allergies, just dab a little of your DIY product on a hidden part of your body and wait 24 hours. Be wary of any swelling, redness, or itching. Assuming there are no negative side effects, voila! You can use this beautiful product without worry. Oat Face Mask. The high concentrations of alpha-hydroxy acids in apple cider can regulate the skin's pH, while the powdered oats can absorb excess oil and buildup. According to Vagonovic, oats have saponins, which are a strong natural cleaner. To make this DIY skincare recipe, in a bowl, mix oats powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of apple cider until a paste forms. Next, incorporate half a tablespoon of lemon juice and half a tablespoon of brown sugar. Mix until combined. After washing your face, apply this mask and wait 5 to 10 minutes so the contents may sink into your skin. After that, exfoliate and stimulate blood flow by rubbing in circular motions using your skincare sets. Wash it off with some warm water and then dry it off with a cloth. Tea tree toner. Blend some ingredients with an Asian twist to make the best toner for dry skin. Drinking a water-lemon mixture will initiate the skin beautifying effects, which begin on the inside with healthy skin. In a French press, mix 1 teaspoon of peppermint tea leaves, 4 teaspoons of white tea leaves, half a cup of boiling distilled water, and 2 drops of lavender oil. After 10 minutes of steeping, pour into a glass jar and set aside to chill. Pour the desired amount of aloe vera gel into an atomizer-equipped 4-ounce spray bottle to make the best toner for dry skin. Keep refrigerated until ready to spritz. Rice Ginger Body Scrub Exfoliant. For silky, glowing legs and arms, whip up a batch of this Asian-inspired body smoother. Its combination of textures is powerful enough to remove dead skin. With its abundance of nourishing lipids, coconut milk hydrates the skin, while ginger reduces inflammation and detoxifies the skin. If you're looking for natural exfoliation, try using rice grains. The starch in rice can relieve damaged or irritated skin. To make a paste, combine 1/4 cup of ground rice, process it in a blender, a 1/4 cup of coconut milk and brown sugar, and 1½ teaspoons of ground ginger. In a circular motion, rub the mixture all over with your hands. After just a few minutes, the scrub will finish polishing your entire body. Cucumber Eye Mask. Make your cucumber mask for a spa-like skincare sets experience and a refreshed appearance. Grate the cucumber to release the active enzymes, because it relaxes and soothes the skin around the eyes. This mask is great for dealing with puffiness and allergies. Grate a chili cucumber over a paper towel placed on a platter. When the grating is complete, roll up the pieces and squeeze them together like a tortilla. Put the cucumber under closed eyes and lean back for a calming effect right away. Papaya Face Mask. Use an OG mask, which includes fresh papaya, yogurt, and other healthy components, to keep your skin looking young for years to come. After you rinse, apply your regular facial moisturizer as your skincare essentials. The papaya's alpha-hydroxy acids act as a natural exfoliant, while the protein-rich egg whites aid in skin regeneration and pore tightening. Blend to make the paste. Combine half a fresh papaya. The seeds should be removed. A single spoonful of yogurt, 1 spoonful of white tea, 1 spoonful of lime juice, and a single egg white. Blend or use a fork to combine the ingredients. Rinse with water after 20 minutes of relaxing and applying it to the face and neck. Pure Aloe Face Mask. The sunburn isn't the only area where aloe vera shines. It has several skin-saving properties. With its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and hydrating characteristics, this potent plant will leave skin feeling silky smooth and looking beautiful. Applying a face mask containing aloe vera can soothe red, puffy skin and increase the skin's natural luminosity. If using almond milk, dissolve the sugar by mixing 1/2 tablespoon with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Add around 4 teaspoons of aloe vera gel or juice. Apply the mixture and wait 15 to 20 minutes, and then wash it off with warm water and a gentle towel. Body scrub with sugar. A face scrub made with honey and sugar is a delicious addition to any at-home beauty regimen. This DIY exfoliator is great for nourishing skin and removing dead skin cells. Leave this recipe out if your skin is easily irritated. In a small bowl, combine 3 spoonfuls of honey with 1/2 cup of brown sugar and whisk until a dense paste is formed. To lighten the paste, add 2 teaspoons of your preferred oil and mix until combined. Be sure to cover your face, neck, and décolleté with the paste after washing your skin. After 5 to 10 minutes, wash it off with warm water. For the same result, you can use any remaining scrub on your body. Cocoa Face Mask. This DIY skincare recipe is an indulgent chocolate mask rich in antioxidants that aims to restore moisture and a more radiant complexion. As we age, the skin's protective moisture barrier and immune system start to degrade, making it more prone to dryness. Staying hydrated is crucial for skin health right now. Mix 1 egg white and 1 tablespoon each of chocolate powder, sour cream, and honey. Use after applying to the face, rinse off excess. This miraculous cream serves multiple purposes thanks to its potent ingredients. The lactic acid in sour cream moisturizes the skin while gently exfoliating. Honey promotes moisture via its humectant properties, and the protein in egg white tightens and firms the skin. Avocado Peel Facial Mask. A cheap skincare avocado mask is another all-natural remedy for dry skin. According to a study, combining half an avocado with a 1/4 cup of plain yogurt may help with skin texture issues, like eczema, due to the yogurt's lactic acid. Another review suggests that adding a tablespoon of Manuka honey along with a spoonful of turmeric could have anti-inflammatory benefits and alleviate symptoms of inflammatory skin conditions. Rinse off the liquid after 5 to 10 minutes of applying it to clean the skin. An alternative approach is to use avocado oil, water, and saffron extract. It is unclear whether there was any notable hydration, but researchers did find that this mixture revitalized the skin and diminished the look of wrinkles. Brew tea bags. If you're a tea drinker, you might be surprised at how many different things you can use the tea bags you currently have. Herbal teas, such as jasmine and chamomile, and green and black teas with caffeine are all part of this category. Green and black tea bags both contain anti-inflammatory and cooling properties that can be applied to the skin. Black tea bags in particular may assist in restoring the skin's natural pH balance, because caffeine safely constricts blood vessels in this sensitive skin area. These teas may be useful for under-eye bags. For 5 to 10 minutes, place a cooled, moist tea bag beneath each eye. In a recent study published in the Journal of Dermatological Treatment, researchers examined the effects of a 20-minute treatment for 22 individuals with facial atopic dermatitis. The treatment consisted of gauze dipped in wheat black tea, accompanied by a moisturizing cream. Participants' skin complaints improved after 3 days of using 5 compresses daily, and there were no adverse consequences. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.